Welcome back to another tutorial. In that tutorial, we are just going to learn about the Adobe Photoshop new option that is known as brush tools. Okay, so everyone knows about the brush tools and how brush tools work. But in that class, we are just going to discuss about something really informative about brush tools, and this class will be like how to use the brush tools and how brush tools work, and how to install new brush tools, and how you can color any kind of images by using these brush tools. So this class is really gonna be fun and informative. So what are you waiting for? Let's do that. So very first, when you just select these brush tools, now you have to know about this is the color, this is the foreground color. So you can pick this foreground color, and also if you want to take any kind of background color, you can take that. So just for example, I'm just taking the color. So this is the brush tools. So now I'm going to share you one thing. So in our previous class, we just discussed about this layer panel. So layer panel is really important. So you have to select individual layers. So if you any kind of changes or any kind of deselect anything, so if you choose this brush tools option, this is layer panel option, this is really massive effective for you. Otherwise everything gonna be really critical when you work on the brush tool. So very first we have to make a layer. So we have to use the layer. So very first, take this layer just using the brush like that. So you may have a question how to brush increase the size and decrease the size. You can use your third bracket in your right side, that will be bigger, and the left side, that will be smaller. So now in here, so more option. So you see this is the brush tool panel option in here. So when you just click in here, so you can get a lot of brushes option is there. All the brushes is free and install on your PCs. So you can make a design with it, and you can make any kind of a design, or like everything you can use like that. Now, so you can also click your right button when you are just working on the brushes. You have to settings your brush. So how to do that? Just click your right button on your mouse. You get the brush setting option in here. So this is the setting panel. So in that setting panel is nothing informative, so I'm just sharing it. So you can just see brushes, how it shows your brushes panel in here. So that in here is a show like that. So this is the thing. So now this is the brush panel. So if you in here, you see the sizes. So you can reduce your size, increase your size, brushes size, like in here. Again, I'm going to tell it. If you press the third bracket in right side, that will be bigger, and the left side, that will be brush side is smaller. So again, also if you click your right button, and you get your brushes sizes option, fixing sizes option in here. So in that two like way, so you can just increase your brush size and decrease your brush size. So let me show you something magic. In here you can see lot of finder brushes like this. So you can select from here. So this will be really smoother qualities, and this is really look good on when you're working on the brush something panel. So if you want to change this color, like any kind of thing, so this will be more cooler like this. So this is all the brushes will be there. So this is it. And now we have the option, this is the opacity. And when you're just learning on the Photoshop, I definitely discuss about the opacity. So opacity, that's mean transparency. So if you decrease the opacity like this, for example, let me show you. Now this is the opacity is 12%. So you see this is the more transparent. So you can see the inside of this what you brushes. So if you decrease the opacity, so you see it's more visible. And if you put it like 100%, it will be then more visibility. So like this how it's this opacity work. And if you work with this flow, and flow is like how much you can put this color on your brushes. So this the same like that. So if you want to be flow, if you make your flow little bit lower, this will be flow bit lower. If you increasing this lower panel, so this will be really more visibility. And how much you want to put this color, that's like this indicator like that. This is it. So now we just learn how to make it a brushes work, and how to increase the brushes and decrease the brushes. Okay, so now I'm going to share you one thing, so you might maybe know or not. So you just select soft round brush tools. So when you just press the Alt, click the brush and press the Alt. So now we have a question. We have to, if we want to make our own brushes, so how to install a new brushes on this, you can find it online. So very first you can search any kind of thing like Photoshop brush, free brushes, so you can download it. So in here you can see a lot of, I just go to the Brush-G, and it's a free brushes in here, and something will be premium, but you can download free brushes in here. I like this one. If I need this one, so I download the charcoal one. So it's a downloaded, and when it's downloaded and it have option like that, so you have to just click it, and it will be automatically just you take on your Photoshop. So you can go into it, and now you can how you find it, you just install the brushes from your Brush-G. So now you have to go, like, you can press this right button, and now you can go like down, and you see, so I have downloaded this charcoal Photoshop brushes in here. So you just select it, and you can click, use all the brushes patches in here. So you can just select it, and also you can just make a brushes effect just a bit smaller, you see. And now you just install it, and you have to just press it. So if you see like this, just make it a little bit charcoal feel, and you see we have successfully installed this our charcoal effect in this brushes. So this is how you can install new brushes on your Photoshop thing. And more this class I'm not giving you the more information, so very soon we have to learn how to make a lot of design in brushes. So now we have to go on to this our main thing. This is the simple sketches. So now you have a question. So how do you can color any kind of sketches? So this is the sketch layer, this is the sketch layer. We have to take another layer. So we just take another layer in here. So now we can just make it our main color layer. So we can name it color layer. So color layer, and just make it a little, it's below than your main sketches. So how you do that? Just click in here, just when you just click on it, and it show like hand mark this area. So in here you can controlling it. So this is very simple. And now we have to just select, you always remember, you have to select the color layer in here. So when you just select this color layer, it will be just selected this layer panel, and you can color in from here. So this will be very simple. So now you have to change this foreground color. We have to make it like something best with what to go with brain. So this is, and just make it a bit whiter foreground color, then make it brush. And now we have to just select something layer, it goes with it. I think this will work. So in that, how you can just, you see that when you just color on here, it only just color your you see that it's just color on this the back side. And this, let's see, try this software version. So let's see it on this fast, so you can understand. So now we just this is the color we have done. So if you want to make a little bit more colorful, so you can take another layer like this. So in here we can use something like foreground color whitish. So you can just color any kind of in here. So if you always remember, when you work on this this Adobe Photoshop brushes, so always you have to focus on the layer. So if you want to fix like this, so I don't like this color panel, so I can delete the color, so I can unhide this color panel, that will be work. So if I like this, so if you see this, when I just switch off our main sketch layer, so you see it only shows you the color layer. So this is really important. I think this class is really more informative, and if you think that's really worth your time, if you want to know learning from Expart, so this is gonna be really great for you. In this channel we are really putting a lot of information class and lot of thing, so that's really useful for you. So thank you so much, thank you for your valuable time, and take care.